Okay, hello. I will be showing you how to make this. It is a super smelter, and it is fairly simple, and it is pretty small, but you can make it as big as you want. So, this is what it looks like, and I took out the minecarts for some reason, and I will be taking out my inventory from that. So what you want is a minecart chest, and then you want a furnace, you want a hopper, you want a rail and a powered rail, and you want whatever block you want. For some reason I decided to use netherite. You also want a chest, a hopper, and I think that is about it. So, what you're going to do is first you are going to you are going to place down your furnaces in however many. I will do this much, a 5, 1, and then what you'll want to do is you will want to run hoppers out the back of it, like this. You want to be facing it and placing it like that. So then it will send items. What a hopper does, if you throw an item in there, it will go. This will send items to that, which will go into the furnace. And then what you'll also want to do is you'll also want to place furnaces, some hoppers on top, and so you'll want furnaces on top, and then I'm thinking more blacksmith, so you want hoppers on top, and then you want rails on top of the hoppers, and then you want 2 blocks. You can do 1, but it works better if there's 2. So you want 2 blocks, and then that right there. Oh wait, I forgot. You also need a lever and a redstone torch. Okay, so we're going to place the redstone torch right here, or you could even place it here. Doesn't really matter where you place it. I've never actually placed it here, but I'll try it this time. I think it might do what I think it will do. Then you can cover that up. You don't have to do it this way. You can place the torch right there, but for right now I'm going to place it here because I've never done that before and it will end up with the same thing. So you place the redstone torch there, then we're going to run a block out. One sec. So I need some redstone dust. For now, I'm going to put the chest away. So you want redstone dust to go into this, right here. And then, so when you turn this on, both of those will turn on. And then what you're going to want is a block right there. It doesn't have to be netherite. I'm just using netherite. So then there's that. You're going to have that. And then same thing over here. Darn it. I'll fix that later. Rail. And so you'll do this, and then you'll have a powered rail right here, and then just a normal rail right here. Then you will place that there, and you place that there, and you need them on the side so they will go back and forth. Now you can hide away all of this if you want, And so that's what you need. And then with the minecart chests, you will place them on these. And then what you'll do is you'll have a hopper go into them. Darn. Okay. So you will have a hopper going into that. And then you need the chest, where I totally got rid of chests, for to put stuff in the hoppers. So if I just place my chest right up here, then I can go under that and then place a hopper like that. And then this is where you're going to put your food. And then you do the same exact thing on the other side. And you put a chest and a hopper. So there. You're going to put your coal in this one. And if you want, you can even make them double chests. But you're going to put your food in this one and your coal in this one. And then when it's all filled up, so how about grab some food? How about raw beef? So I'll take some raw beef. Clear my inventory. I'll take some raw beef. I'll take some, and I will place it in here. Now that will go down, and that will go in here, and then it will end up in here. For some reason, one always ends up in there. So, it will just go in here. And then in here, you place your coal. So, one sec. I need more coal than that. Coal. Get your coal. And then place that in here. Now, I would usually cover it up like this to make it look. But right here, I just am showing you bare bones. And then, since these are going in the minecart chests, hoppers will pick it up from there. Eventually, I'm going to wait till this runs out. That won't be very long, because it's relatively quick. And so, and then what we do is we press this button. And then I'll fill all of those up. I obviously forgot that to do that. So, one thing you will need to remember is, you need a block here. I didn't remember that. So I will take that there and place all of the beef in. Let's see, has this run out? No, it hasn't. No. Okay, and you just run these, and it will produce the steak. Now, if you want, you can use hoppers, and then you can, so you'll use hoppers, and then you will connect them up like this. So, those will go into the central one, and then I want to break that. Okay. I'm going to turn this off. I will break this. I need to break that. And then I will put a chest. Wow. Chest. Right here. Sorry, I am obviously not good at this. And then put a chest right here. and then I'm going to place the furnace back. I'm sorry, I'm ruining everything. But yeah, that will fill up. And then I can place this back in there. And then, yeah. This is how you make a super smelter. And then obviously, you can cover it up. And that is it. That is my redstone tutorial. Actually, if you see, if I place the minecarts in here, I don't have any beef, so I will get raw beef, take that, and then coal. And this one, it's not as efficient because if I run these, it won't do that one. So that's why you might want to put the torch back a block. And I just learned that by experimenting with this build right here. So you could obviously just get rid of that and that'd be fine, but you can just, yeah. So that is my redstone tutorial, and goodbye.